Hey guys, it's Amber J from Best Bets Trades. Just coming on to give you guys an update on some of the plays that we took today. So right away, I'm going to go over AMC because I know I talked about that in the last video. So the AMC triggers, the puts were triggered at 23.50 and it hit the first price target of 23.10 and then the second price target of 22.79. And then, so right away in the pre-market, we got the sell and then it went back up and tested about 24.7 or yeah 24.17, and then it kind of flushed after that. It went below the EMAs and we were under the sell signal and it was wicking off of the blue EMA line, so you could tell that this was going to drop, and it just kind of consolidated over and wicked off of the blue EMA, and then it dropped down, and then you could have taken your profit there. Also another play because the buy signal did pop up, and then we got the cross of the blue and white EMA, and that would have been a confirmation to hop in the trade as well. And it went right up to the high of day, which was 24.49. So there's two potential plays back to back. You could have got in on puts and rode that down, and then got in calls and rode that up again as well using the indicators. So we didn't even have to rely on Gundy's callouts, even though they're a great guide to go through. We just could have played just watching the indicators and when to get in and when to get out. Also, too, later in that afternoon, it ripped up later in the afternoon. So the buy was triggered and it crossed up above the EMAs and it went all the way up just past the yellow EMA there. So that would have been another end of day play that you could have got into as well using the indicators. So that is our AMC play. And if you guys are interested in Gundy's indicators, please have a look at our Discord. It is $50 a month, like $1.60 a day, cheaper than a cup of coffee. And you'll get access to these indicators. And I'm telling you, I have full faith and trust in these because they actually do work. And there's a plan and a process. And as long as you follow the rules and stick to them, there's no way that you can lose your money. Like it's incredible how awesome that these indicators work. So I'm going to go over Tesla because I know Gundy took a Tesla play, and that was also one of his callouts. So the calls were triggered at 9:04:33, and once the calls were triggered, also too, we look for the buy indicators. So first thing in the morning, the sell came up and then it smushed between the blue and the white EMAs. And then soon as the buy symbol came up and was confirmed, you can get in and it's going to rip up, and it did. So for the calls for Tesla, then that was 9:04:33. The first price target of 9:10:26 hit. The second price target of 9:14:04 hit, and the third price target of 9:18:90 hit, and then it went up to fill the gap for 9:27:54 for that was the final price target that Gundy had, but it actually did get up to 9:39:40 today in Tesla. So that was another good play. If you can see how the indicators work, and you could have just got in at the buy and and rode it up to the high of day, and once it flipped and the sell signal came up, that would have been your indication to get out. But I mean, you guys, this was an awesome play if you had the guts to hold on that all that time. Like, we like to scalp it, so we're in and out pretty quickly. But if you wanted to hold it, you could have right up till you got the sell confirmation, because it went up pretty much a good hunk of the morning until about like 1-ish, 1:30. So that was another play that we took here. And then I'm going to go over the SPY, because Crash had a really good call out on SPY from this morning. He said that SPY was going to get up to 429, which it did and some, but First thing in the morning, we in pre-market there was the buy signal, but then it hit previous day high and rejected off of that. So we got the sell signal, and then it just kind of consolidated here around a little bit. And then once we get the sell signal and the EMAs get close, and then all of a sudden we get the buy signal, we know that's and it's above the EMAs. We got in and SPY ripped right up, and it got up to crashes target and then some. So thanks, Crash, for the heads up on that one, because that was a really good play that we could have played today as well. But see, using Gundy's indicators, there was a like you got in at the buy, and there were some times where it looked like it was going to curl over, and a lot of people were thinking, oh, maybe puts would be a good idea. But because it was still under the buy, it was still bullish. So it continued, like it dipped down a little bit, did a little bit of a double bottom there, and then it just ripped up again. So these indicators are very powerful indicators, and they really do work. So if you're interested in the Discord, we have 19 spots left for the lifetime at $5.50 for the lifetime fee, and you get access to the indicators and our voice channel and our chats and everything like that. And the voice channel is seriously one of the best tools that we offer in this Discord, because there's nothing better than trading live with people, and more eyes on a stock that you're trading, the better. Someone might see something that you might not see. So it's actually pretty awesome, our voice channel. But if you just want to check us out, by all means, please click on the Discord link below and have a look, because it's free for 7 days and you can see if we're a good fit for you. And also to you get access to all of the indicators and see how they work and that type of thing. So if it's something you're interested in, you'd like to join us, please click the link below. And I hope you guys have a great evening. Take care. Bye.